Aikari agatondo ya muhuro riu nimagunikite na tabarire ya mai iria gukorwo ikimaguna na njira nene kuona ni makoretwo magithinika kwa ihinda iraya. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria tabarire ino, mubunge wa gatondo ya muhuro Moses Kuria niehete honge iria kururia kurekereria mbeca cia utwarithia wa na mbere mukana, akiuga bunge ni guteithĩrĩria mutongoria wa bururi gutigirira honge ici ni ciatwarithia uthii wa na mbere kwa ihinda riria riagiriire na mbeca ni ciahuthika uria kwagiriire.
Clear warning to all government agencies. We in Parliament are going to assist His Excellency the President in terms of ensuring that once we appropriate resources, you execute it in an expeditious manner.
Niathiete na mbere kuga bunge ni kurora ringi uria kigina kia muingi kirahuthika kuona kuhitukio gwa tabarira ni andu aingi ni kuracungiriria gwikururia kwa uthii wa na mbere.
Now during supplementary budgets, now and going forward and subsequent future budgets, kama tunajua wewe you are not spending the money given to you, which is not your money, it is the money for the people of this country, we are not going to appropriate any new money to such agencies and we will refuse.
Oho aigite honge iria itakoretwo ikihuthira kigina wega matigukorwo makiheo mbeca na gwikururia gwa tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere ni gucungiririe tabarira ingi gutigwo itari ndekie na thutha ucio kigina gigacokio kuri aigi kigina.
Even if ni pesa ya the water, hata kama ni pesa ya kera ama ya nani, tumekupa. Don't hide behind the fact that you are autonomous state corporation. Once this money is in central bank, we will ensure that it is returned back to treasury and reappropriated to those people who want to execute projects.
Oho augite ni gukorwo akirumirira honge ici cia githirikari niguo kumenya haria utwarithia wa uthii wa na mbere ukinyite na uria kigina kirahuthika.
And we will ensure and I will mobilize all committees to be sending a quarterly report to His Excellency the President of those ministries, agencies and departments which are not executing projects on time, not absorbing funds that we have appropriated, and really delaying on execution of their mandate.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.